We thank God He has made it possible for us to meet again. Today is a special day for our fathers. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in this house. I say I do appreciate you all and thank you all for your support. And Father's Day special pa. This is the favorite soup that my dad enjoys. So I decided to share this recipe with you all. Let's start today's recipe. So I have a whole chicken that I got from the farmer's market. I've washed it and then I have my vegetables. Everything is washed and clean and under clean running water. Tomato paste. Then I have ginger paste, garlic paste, then paprika, salt, aniseed. Then we start this process by boiling the vegetables. So I just cover it up and then going to pour the vegetable till it's softened. Then season the meat with the ginger, garlic, tomatoes, paprika, and then salt to your tasting. It contains onion, tomatoes, carrots, and then the celery. Stir and let this simmer for 8 minutes on low medium heat. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. Adriana pa the Father's Day special pa. So this is the onion mixture. You add to it and then you stir and then leave it on low medium heat to steam for 10 minutes. So the vegetables is done and then I just off the fire. When it's done, I'll add the aniseed to it and then you blend. So the 10 minutes is over and I'm done blending the vegetables. I'll give it a stir. Yes, Father's Day special. Yeah, that's the blended vegetables. Then I rinse the blender with some water. I'll let this be on fire for 5 minutes before I add my water. Thank you all for the support and God richly bless you. If today is your first time watching Home Sweet Food, I say God bless you for stopping by to watch this recipe for me. God bless you all and keep on watching. Home Sweet Food, Ejianepa Eyetiankasa, and I know you all are doing well. So the 5 minutes is over and I'm adding some water. Yeah. Send your person will show on fire for unsuni gum and then stir. And then you let this be on fire on low medium heat to cook for 15 minutes. Yeah, Father's Day special. See na papa no peno boko. So I just checked for salt and everything was good for me as daddy wants it. When you're cooking for dad or yourself, you check for the salt. And then the soup is almost done. I'll set it aside and let's prepare the fufu. Yeah, this is how you're gonna make the fufu. You're gonna make our own fufu at home. So I bought this cassava in bulk and I peel the skin off and then save it in the freezer. Anytime that I need it, I just take some and I'm peeling the plantain skin off and then you will start this process. It's so easy to do this at home. Very simple to do. And if you don't like the one that is in store, this is so simple to do. I'm just cutting into pieces so that it will make it easier to blend. So at this point, we are done peeling the skin off and then cutting this into pieces. And going to use this small blender. The big one does not make it smooth as I want it. Then I'll be doing it in small, I mean, batch. Or so we finish blending everything. And this is the consistency that we are going for, so smooth like baby food, eh? So I'm done blending everything, then I put it in my saucepan, then straight on the fire. Then let's go make this fufu. That's it. Yeah, papa no more then you see the soup is done. Yes, yes, it's done. With this, you don't need to add salt, and then the only thing you need is keep on stirring it. That's the only work that you're gonna do. Yeah, I'm going to, enjoy this fufu after it's done. Just a kuyangaza.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town. Cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known. Stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait.
So at this point, you can tell that your fufu is ready, and you can serve it out anyhow you wanna mold it. You can do it. So you can do it in your bowl, trying to bring everything together to form a ball. There we go, we have it. Or you can do it Ghana style in the asanka, which is the grinding pot. You can do it in this way, and then you can serve your food out. Yes, yeah, Papa no more Janet. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you all. I do appreciate you all. Special day for our Father's Day. Don't forget to spread this love to your dads or your fathers, wherever that they are. And don't forget to take these oils out because it's not good for our health. Yeah, Papa no yepese omunyi nche parentino. It's done, and let's serve it out. Bibia ya de ne nan ma ya papa no. Ekoyi ankasa. Thank you all, and don't forget to stay safe till we meet in another video with a new recipe. God bless you all for all the support. You are all invited. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in this house. I love you all for the support. Thank you.